P-Town. I feel like we've been in a couple P-Towns.
We have been in a couple P-Towns. Provincetown and Providence.
Yeah, very confusing. I was gonna say I was gonna go to Brown, but you know, it's just too far away and out-of-state tuition, so I had to go to Davis. You'd have great cabs if you lived here. We just arrived at our Airbnb in Brown, and it's really cute. We're literally right in the middle of the college town, like up on the hill. I think it's actually called College Hill. It's a really cute area, and we're in like this old house. It's an apartment at the top, I think. So we're gonna go check it out, and yeah, I really like Providence so far. It was super like rainy and foggy this morning, but the sun has come out for us, and it's really nice. And I didn't expect to like it so much, and I didn't know that the university was like right here. And the buildings, everything on this campus is so pretty that it almost kind of like feels like we're in Europe, which is really cool. So it's about 1 o'clock. We're gonna go check in, and I'll show you guys this Airbnb. We did splurge a little bit on this one. We were trying to save money on some accommodations and then spend a little bit more on others, and this is one of the cute ones that I really wanted to get. So we got it, and I hope it is as cute as the pictures. I think that's it. How do you like having a pregnant wife? The stairs up to the apartment are so steep. No, it keeps going. Babe, there's more stairs.
Well, we can make suitcases on the second floor.
I came in, I was like, wait, it's really small. Okay, ignore my heavy breathing. I have made it to the apartment. It's on the top floor, up a bunch of stairs, but it's so cute. So we got kitchen over here. Wow, it's so cute, Shelly. Come here.
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
My breathing is so heavy. Got a little kitchen. Look at our view over here. See Providence? Providence?
Beautiful.
I was gonna say Provincetown. Providence, Rhode Island. Little dinner table. I'll show you the view from over here. Got some old buildings. Cool. Little bedroom over here. Bathroom. Honestly, this is perfect. This is exactly what we needed. Hello. And I love the view. The view is so perfect. We figured out our plan.
We got the plan.
Yeah, we got our Rhode Island plan. We're gonna head out. It's like 2 o'clock right now. We're gonna head over to Newport, and we're gonna walk around. There's this thing called the Newport Hill, some sort of walk that goes along like the edge of the cliff, and it's supposed to be really pretty, so we're gonna do that for a little bit. Maybe see the Rockefeller Mansion, the Breakers, but that's not high on Shelly's priority list. And then we have a really special dinner planned.
Really special.
And I'm not gonna ruin the surprise. You guys will see when it
I will.
time.
We're going to a restaurant.
No, stop. It's a special restaurant, and it not only is like the history cool, but it actually looks like a good restaurant.
It does.
It does.
Fantastic. Let's skedaddle.
Let's skedoodle.
So where are we at?
Newport, Rhode Island.
Let's hear Newport, Rhode Island, Mimi.
I don't know if they have an accent here. I haven't heard anyone talk. We've just been driving around Newport for a couple minutes. We stopped and got a pastry because I'm starving. It's like 3:30 and I just can't make it to dinner. So I got a little croissant. Shelly got a cookie, a really good cookie. And I just wanted to say that I absolutely love Newport. We've literally only been here for like 5 minutes, and I really like it. Like the houses are amazing, people have space and land, and the cafes are cute, and there's so much water. I really like it. I wish we were spending more time here, but this is why we're doing the trip though, because we're trying to see where we would, you know, in the future like to come back to. So right now we're parking and we're gonna do the Newport Cliff Walk, which is just exactly what it sounds like. a walk along the edge here in Newport. And we're just gonna kind of take our time and relax. And yeah, just kind of see the water over here. And dinner isn't until 6. So we got a little bit of time, but I really like it. I could live in that house.
Oh, okay.
I really like, it's just, I didn't expect this nice of weather in October.
I know, it's actually way, way warmer than I
Like
thought.
I could be in a tank top right now.
I don't know, I'm in a t-shirt.
I'm actually really comfortable, but I could be in like a t-shirt. I really like this neighborhood.
Yeah, I like it too.
It's very peaceful. You always want to scream when I say that. Like these houses are just so East Coast. And they have space.
I know, they have a lot of space.
Like it's not cramped, you know? When we were in Cape Cod, everything was just so close together.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Don't fall.
Where are we going? Wow. Oh, people are surfing. Did not expect that at all.
Wanna walk? I guess that's why they call it the cliff walk. Whoa.
What are your thoughts on Newport?
Very cool.
Mm-hmm. We could live here.
Just be super cold in the winter.
Yeah. But right now it's perfect. Look at Shelly dressed all nice for his dinner. Don't. Shelly. Do you see that house over there?
Guys, I just was walking along this trail and I stumbled upon this house. Look at this house.
Good job, babe.
Was that Mimi?
Can they even see it? Look at this. What? What? I really wanted to tour the Rockefeller estate here called Breakers.
Yeah.
And I think it's, can you scoot
I'm
back?
looking at the house.
And it's their summer home, I think, but Shelly doesn't want to do that, so I'm getting my
60,
fix.
$60 to look at a house.
It's $29. Well, I mean, you're making it seem like per person it's $60.
Okay, $29.99 times 2, so we got $59.98.
So I'm getting my fix by looking at the houses on this trail, and I think this is way cooler, honestly.
I think it's way cooler too. Whoever suggested this is a genius.
Me. Shelly, you gonna go swim out to that rock?
Yeah.
There's literally a guy out there. Makes me so nervous. Alright, you wanna go up? We're taking a little detour through the neighborhood. Found this gem.
There we go.
Wow. Wow. I found it.
Found what?
My summer home. I'm just kidding. This is the Rockefeller. I think it was like their summer house. It's called the Breakers. It's like right on the point in Newport, and it's like, it's unreal. It looks like a museum or something. Look at this thing. This is just their back fence that goes along the cliff walk. I can't even like explain how tall this thing is. Wait, use me as a reference.
Smart.
I'm about 5'10", so. We just got to our dinner spot, and I'm super excited about this one. So the story with this, Shelly, come here. The story with this restaurant is we went to the Union Oyster House in Boston like 2 nights ago and had some chowder, and it said it was the oldest restaurant in America, and we were like, really? Like 1800 something, wasn't that old. So we Googled it, and actually this place is the real oldest restaurant in the entire country, and it's been in operation for 350 years, since the 1600s.
So screw you, ye old oyster house in Boston,
so
you liars.
They were liars. But when we Googled it, we realized this place was in Newport, Rhode Island, so we made reservations. It looks really good. It's called the White Horse Tavern, and I'm so excited.
Oldest
the
restaurant.
oldest restaurant in our country.
Watch it be shit.
There she is, White Horse Tavern. America's oldest tavern, 1673. All right, I got the steak. Shelly got the most beautiful chowder I've ever seen in my entire life. What is it, clams, mussels and scallops?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You excited?
Yes.
Good morning. Welcome to Thursday, October 27th. We had a really good night's sleep last night. That restaurant last night was really cool. I definitely recommend going there if you're in the area. That's an experience that we're gonna remember probably for the rest of our lives. And the food was really good. I mean, it was a nice restaurant, and just like the whole environment, 10 out of 10. So this morning we woke up kind of early again at like 7 and got all packed up. And luckily, because we are staying on the Brown campus, there was a coffee shop in the museum just a couple blocks down. So we just went and got that. It's called Bolt Coffee. Got a cute little stamp on here. And so we got coffee, we got a couple croissants, and we're on our way to the next destination, which is Hudson, New York. And we're gonna head over to Hudson and then down the Hudson Valley into New York City. I'm really excited about today. It's like one of my favorite days. Telling them where we're going.
Who?
Them. My mom. And your mom.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're headed over to Hudson. It's only like a 2-hour and 40-minute drive.
Oh, you're on the phone? Oh,
From,
I didn't see your camera.
Are you good?
I didn't see your camera at all.
It's right.
I was like, who are you talking to?
I thought you were like playing dumb. Like, yes, anyways, so Hudson is only 2 hours and 40 minutes from Providence.
I thought you were on the phone with my mom.
No.
Okay, I'm sorry.
There's a huge camera right in front of me.
I didn't see it.
Anyways, we're going to Hudson, and I'm so excited. And we have the whole day allotted to the Hudson River Valley. So we're starting in Hudson, and we're kind of just gonna wind our way down through the little towns. I got our coffees mixed up, but this one smells way more strong than this one.
Yeah, that one's fine. I put it there.
Okay.
Okay. Signing out. Wow, tasty.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, that's good. Breakfast sandwich, coffee. How is it?
Good.
Yeah? Just wanted to update you guys. We went to Hudson and it wasn't as big as I thought. It was really small, so we didn't walk around it very long. I got a couple clips, but it was really windy outside, so I couldn't actually like vlog or talk. My opinion of Hudson is that it would be really cool if you were looking for antiques, you're going antiquing, you're trying to like furnish a house. I think it would be a really cool spot to go, and I'm really bummed that I'm not in that position, because that would have been, you could just find some really cool stuff. Like the stores there were really cool. There was a lot of art galleries and just like just so many cool antiques and like thrifted items. So it was really cool, but we didn't stay very long. It's super sunny today, and the leaves around this area of New York are just unreal. Like they're so vibrant, especially with the sun on them. So it's gorgeous, and we're right on the water right now, parked, just getting some drone shots, and there's a really pretty bridge. So we're just gonna chill here for a little bit, maybe walk around the town, and then just keep going. But I'll show you guys what this looks like out here. It's super windy, but I'll still show you. We just got into the village of Sleepy Hollow, which is right near Tarrytown, literally 2 seconds away. And I'm just glad we're here before the Halloween craziness.
Oh yeah.
I can't handle another Salem.